going to show you how you can set up Chrome Remote Desktop to connect to your computer remotely, or just, supervise someone. Okay, so let's get right into it. So, you see this page right here? This is the page to set up remote access. Now, all I'm going to show you is the desktop I already have set up. So let me just pull it up. You're going to head to chromeremote.google.com/access, and it'll take you to this page where you can install it. So right here, you have your computers. I've already set up 2 computers. I set up my own computer and a second computer. So let's click on this, and you see, it'll take me to my computer. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the PIN code that you set, but I won't, because I already entered it. So right here you can see I have my remote desktop loaded, and this is the desktop I'm controlling. Now, the only thing that will show up is just this little thing that says that is being shared. So as you can see, I can just edit pretty much anything, do anything that you could do on your regular machine. Candy Crush maybe, I don't know, whatever. Then, if you want to close that tab, if you go to the little arrow on the right, you'll see that there's some controls. So you can disconnect, full screen, scale to function 11, and all of those things. Control Alt Delete, and see, it'll do Control Alt Delete. And you can print screen, function 11, full screen, key over, pretty much anything that you need. So now if you look down here, you can change the display ratio, but we don't need to do that. Now what's really cool is you can upload files or download files. Also, if you enable it, the keyboard actually, or the clipboard syncs and allows you, let's say you copy something on the host computer, and you can paste it on your computer. So it's pretty cool. So disconnect, and then go close that, and then you have this page right here where you can set up remote access. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to turn on, press it, and then it'll prompt you with the name that you want to add. So you have to add a name. So just name it computer. So hit next, then you'll prompt it with a PIN. So I usually just do 0000000, which is like 6 zeros. It means 6 digits. Oh, that's full and full. Oops, 2 more. Okay, 6 zeros, and then press start, and you'll be prompted with Windows admin control, or whatever admin control you have on your computer. So you need to hit yes and accept it. Okay. And okay, so we accepted it. Now you just need to choose a PIN. Wait, no, we already did that. So it will just display it up there on the yellow. You can see it's setting up right now. So you just need to wait a minute. Then, as you can see, it's set up already. Now, on another device, if you open the same account and the same website, it will actually load up and let you connect to it remotely. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.